guys, so this video is the next and that is the first. That would be your first transaction. Do you guys remember the very first loan that you wrote? Let the world know how that went. There was probably little things that you may have learned. I'm going to do my first transaction or explain it the best I can. It was a really long time ago. Again, back in like 2003. Right after I got licensed, my friend was one of the co-owners of the company, referred a person that he was working with to me. It was a brother of a friend of ours from college, and he was buying his first home. He was a very investment-minded person. We bought a duplex with a pay option arm. He put, I want to say, he put quite a bit of money down. I don't remember exactly, but it was definitely more than 20. I think it was closer to 30% down. Bought a duplex. Rented out half, which was awesome. Used the pay option arm on the other half. It was an appreciating time. And he was very disciplined, right? He would not always pay that minimum. For those of you that don't know what a pay option arm, is a pay option on the payment. So it's a payment rate type loan, right? So what's marketed is like a 1.95%, depending on what the marketing looks like. The consumer sees that and immediately thinks interest, like ties that to interest rate. So it'd be a 1.95% payment rate, 1.5 payment rate. So those are payment rates. That's the minimum you can pay. And usually each month you get you get 4 options. So you'll get like the interest only, you'll get the low payment rate, you'll get the 30-year fixed. And I think sometimes they might give you like the 15-year fixed or something like that. But basically you decide what you want to pay each month. A lot of people would do the minimum. There were people that would truly pick and then take that payment savings, by the way, and put it somewhere else. That's what this guy did. So I felt awesome. Like the transaction itself was me talking to my owner and just like getting through it, right? And then totally understanding the product. It was a wonderful first experience. And I think what's most rewarding about it is the fact that he did the right things with his pay option arm, which wasn't always the case. And I'm sure one of these videos probably touch on that too. So, but hopefully this made sense, right? So just talk about your first transaction, the ups, the downs, the sidewayses, whatever. Let your followers understand it so they will understand you. And again, it will resonate, trust me.